Namaskar, my name is Utkarsh. I'm the founder of the Drone Company. Welcome to a pitch presentation for all the incubators across the country, and let's get you through what we are seeking and what we'll be looking forward to. So basically, we'll start a conversation with 4 point pillars as such. We first start with creation, then we'll start with motivation, then initiation, and finally innovation. So let's begin. Let's talk about our what was created first at the drone company. So it started with the minor project during my bachelor's degree. First idea click for major project that is still close to my heart. So our first aim was to design a speech recognition system as my minor project. Later a voice controlled UAV as my major project. So the first self-designed prototype flew with elastic straps attached. It followed my voice command, and the first traction that we saw was that our marks were greater than 95%. So this is one of the screenshot and one of the image that I took during those times. It's basically between 2017 December to mid of 2018. So here we talk about a little bit of motivation and how does people at the drone company are motivated. So I got an internship offer from DRDO under the best scientists of the country. So I also got an education offer from Cranfield University with a £6,000 bursary, which is actually the living cost for the entire year. So with my time at Cranfield, I was geared up with the BAE Systems Swarm Challenge project to design an enhanced long-range UAV swarm system. So I was the design lead for communication system, and my idea was to design a more than 5 kilometer range Wi-Fi system to serve for 14 UAVs. So actually, I designed a 7 kilometer range Wi-Fi system, and it really served well. And we actually won the challenge with amazing cash prizes. So this is one of the photographs. This is our team, entire team. I'm standing in the front row there. So, like I said, the Swarm Challenge was very much limited to just buying the stuff off the shelf and then assembling it for the rest of the team. But for me, was more towards designing for the communication system. But I also wanted to design a complete UAV system from scratch. So, though being a winner, yet I wasn't so satisfied. So basically, then I always wanted to do some research and development as my future endeavors. So I actually wanted to understand the gaps from where the hardware started and how the software is integrated between that hardware. So then came the initiation and the ideation of the drone company. So we started with the USS system design, which is the unmanned aerial system design. So our first beta version was complete within 3 months after my degree was completed. So when I headed back, I started working upon it. So the idea was to design and develop from ground up a system such that it could serve as a unmanned aerial system for UAVs. So alongside, I thought that should create interactive educational videos for better learning for the people and for the entire UAV community. So I understood the gaps and started making own APIs for UASs. The idea behind was to gather intensive knowledge and build systems that matter. Process optimization and cost reduction becomes a resultant. So because we know that what part of the software we need precisely, and thus we can actually build our own API systems and header files or precompiled header files such that it can serve our needs as quick as we want it to be. So this is one of the screenshots of that software that I made. As you can see, it says the throttle power and it has a dial for that too. So finally, we come to innovation and research and development at the drone company. So after successful trial of beta version, full-fledged API design was on the way. So why we wanted to do this is because of the fact that it gives independence. Independent, by saying independence, we actually mean that people usually buy softwares or download softwares usually from international firms. Uh, and some of them, some of the APIs are also basically maintained by the firms which are cross borders. So we actually wanted to do this on everything by ourselves only, because we will have a complete independence, and then only we'll be completely Atmanirbhar. So product and process optimization becomes a resultant as such, as I said earlier. So it enhances the intensive technology need and thus require design and development. So basically the intensive technology need, which is a current need of the society in India, Indian society, thus we actually wanted to promote critical thinking and go to the basically core development of systems. So, and also on an extensive stretch, it actually requires multispectral, multidisciplinary knowledge and promotes the same as well. So tinkering becomes an inevitable process, right? So for all adult innovation tinkerers and adult tinkerers, this company is for you as well. So research collaborations with the IIRS, ISRO, and multiple international forums, the company got it wings. So at present, multiple research fields are worked upon. With the help of more research thinkers, each with time can grow into a business of their own, right? So let's say suppose if one of the part is designing usually the motor systems only, and some of them designing the ESCs, and some of them are the PCBs. So each individual component can be an industry of their own. So current potential sellability at the drone company is that we have knowledge videos and with amazing graphics. Communication system for long range planets are already designed, and remote sensing applications enhanced with AI are the system that we are also doing. And hardware and software integration is something that is in the core of the drone company. So the light, so ending my presentation, I would say that the right light guides the sales to its destination. For long journey, labs and resources are required, and ideas that creates a difference. But all of this will only come forth when you believe in it, because it will never be unless you believe in it to be. Thank you. Namaskar. Yo.